Good night. Step 4 Video recording. Student Nairon Andrés Rosso Quesada. Course English A1. Tutor Eliana Maria Ruby Cancino. Personal information. Hello everyone. My name is Nairon Andrés Rosso Quesada. I am 21 years old and I was born in the city of Villavicencio, Meta. I now live in Bogota. I have a family consisting of my wife, Wendy Martinez, and my daughter, Alaya Rosso. I am studying electronic engineering at UNAD and work as cashier at Éxito Supermarket. I enjoy video games and reading many books. My routine is I wake up at 4 a.m. to take a shower and have breakfast. At 5 a.m. I take the bus that takes me to work, arriving at 7 a.m. I leave work at 3 p.m. I get home at 4 p.m. to make dinner and study until 8 p.m. Then I go to bed to start the routine again. Image description: the man has dark skin. He is wearing a gray blazer, white with a white shirt underneath, along with a straight tee that looks very nice. Additionally, he has a black microphone in his hand to speak in some he is at a conference. End of presentation.